Let's catch back up with Jerry Woodward to talk about the advantages of gas fireplaces. Jerry, what are some of the advantages?
Well, the main advantage is convenience. This one here can be controlled by a remote control. That enables a customer to just be able to enjoy the fireplace instantly when they walk into the room.
Now, what about cost? Is gas fireplaces a lot more expensive than wood-burning fireplaces?
The relative cost of the units is roughly the same, but because these are direct vent fireplaces, they don't require all that extra chimney that a wood burner would require, so you don't have the cost of the chase involved.
Okay, all right. Now, one thing I have noticed about the gas fireplace units, they're so versatile. You can just about match any personality out there.
Absolutely. You started out over there by a unit that's more rectangle shaped to traditional with the louvers over the top and the bottom. Here we have the unit that's designed more in a European style with a more vertical look. The mantle and the marble fits in a much smaller area and gives a different look there.
Yeah, I like that, but I also have seen this at a number of trade shows. I love this, kind of like a picture on the wall.
Yes, absolutely, and if they don't have enough space or whatever, they can put a hutch underneath this unit and have the best of both worlds. We also have the unit that will fit diagonally right in a corner in a bathroom situation or in a dining room.
There's a lot of situations where you can really use a gas fireplace unit where you really couldn't fit in a wood-burning fireplace.
Oh, absolutely. We've got all kinds of different styles available in that respect.
Okay, all right. I noticed one around the corner here actually had masonry all the way around it. That has to be an advantage in terms of helping to radiate that heat out into the room.
Absolutely. This particular model is one of our fire brick technologies that maximizes the heat output from the unit and maximizes the efficiency of the unit. So if they're looking for ambiance and beauty as well as heat, this would be a good one to choose.
Oh, that's a great looking fireplace without a doubt. Now, technology plays a big role in the efficiency of all fireplace units, but particularly gas. Now, sometimes a homeowner will realize an older gas unit is not as efficient as a new one.